So, how did I end up above the cenote negro, aka cenote de la bruja? Well, it all started with a cute little family vacation. Before heading to the boat, we did have some breakfast on the deck. As you can see, I had a little licuado. And also this cute little dog came up to us. She was so nice. But then her owner came, and then after that we were sad. Right after breakfast, we did head onto the deck, and we were just there lounging for a little bit, and some of us even got in the water and were swimming. And then shortly after, our tour guides came, and then they put us on the boat, and then we headed off.
Has a little deck. That's a rock formation. It's a living organism. It's about to be or whatever. And see how they die and they get brown?
If you see some, they're like change of the colors. That means like half is dead. Okay.
Okay.
Yellow.
Down at the other side, we have like a high school. Before the high school, it was living a witch there. Okay, so normally you used to do like sacrifice in the black cenote with like a babies.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Actually, it was a Mayan witch. Yeah.
Before the boat ride came to an end, we did go for one last little swim. And I'm not gonna lie to you, as soon as we left the black cenote, we did feel a slight relief, because although it was fascinating hearing about all the historical facts, it was a little scary, but it was really cool that we got to experience that together. And overall, it was just a very adventurous day, and we had a lot of fun. So after a long day on the boat ride in Bacalar, we finally got to our hotel room. We're only gonna be staying here for one night just because we don't want to have to worry about the drive back to Tulum. Because it is like about 2 hours away, so we kind of just want to relax tonight.
Okay. Oh, that is the smallest frog ever. Oh, it's right here.
Oh, what they say?
It says that they'll call me tomorrow if they find it.
It might be.